Welcome back, coders. In today's CPC exam practice session, we are diving into 5 CPT questions that test exactly what you'll see on the exam day. These are not just random questions, they are designed to sharpen your codebook navigation, boost your guideline accuracy, and help you think like a real world medical coder. Remember, you don't need to memorize CPT codes, you need to know where the codes are, how the sections flow, and how to apply guidelines fast and correctly. So grab your CPT book, get comfortable flipping through it, and let's build your confidence one question at a time. First question. A dermatologist performs most micrographic surgery on a lesion of the face, first stage, with up to 5 tissue blocks. Report the first stage service. In options, they have given 17311, 17313, 17312, and 17315. 17311 is for most micrographic technique, including removal of all gross tumor. The anatomical location is head, neck, hands, feet, genitalia, or any location with surgery directly involving muscle, cartilage, bone, tendon, major nerves or vessels. It is for first stage up to 5 tissue blocks. Option B 17313 is for most micrographic technique. The anatomical location is trunk, arms or legs, first stage up to 5 tissue blocks. Option C 17312 is an add-on code. It is for each additional stage after the first up to 5 tissue blocks. The code in option D 17315 is an add-on code. It is for each additional block after the first 5 tissue blocks any stage. In the question they have given most micrographic surgery on a lesion of the face, first stage up to 5 tissue blocks. So it is face, first stage with up to 5 tissue blocks. A lesion on the face falls under the head anatomical group. So the right answer is 17311. That is option A. 17312 is wrong because it is for each additional stage after the first. The question clearly says first stage, so this option will be wrong. And 17313 is for trunk, arms or legs. The lesion is on the face, so the anatomical location doesn't match. So 17313 is wrong. And 17315 is for add-on code for each additional block after the first 5 any stage. The question clearly specifies up to 5 blocks, so no additional block code is needed. The right answer is option A. Next question. A urologist performs cystourethropy with insertion of an indwelling double J urethral stent. Report the procedure. Options are 52310, 52332, 52352 and 52005. 52310 is for cystourethropy with removal of foreign body, calculus or urethral stent from urethra or bladder. Simple. 52332 is for cystourethropy with insertion of indwelling urethral stent, Gibbons or double J type. Option C 52352 is for cystourethropy with removal or manipulation of calculus, and 52005 is for cystourethropy with urethral catheterization. In the question they have given cystourethropy with insertion of indwelling double J urethral stent, which is exactly matching with the code 52332. So the right answer is option B. Option A is wrong because it is for cystourethropy but with removal of foreign body, calculus or urethral stent. That is not given in the question. In the question they have given insertion of an indwelling double J urethral stent. 52352 in option C is wrong because it is for cystourethropy with removal or manipulation of calculus. That is not mentioned in the question. And option D is for cystourethropy with urethral catheterization. That is also not given in the question. The right answer is option B. Next question. A spine surgeon performs posterior interbody arthrodesis at a single lumbar interspace L4 to L5. Report the fusion. Options are 22612, 22633, 22614 and 22630. 22612 is for arthrodesis, posterior or posterolateral technique, single interspace, lumbar. 22633 is for arthrodesis, combined posterior or posterolateral technique with posterior interbody technique, including laminectomy or discectomy, sufficient to prepare interspace. Single interspace, lumbar. 22614 is for each additional interspace. It is an add-on code. And 22630 is for arthrodesis, posterior interbody technique, including laminectomy or discectomy to prepare interspace, single interspace, lumbar. The correct answer is option D. That is 22630. The question clearly states posterior interbody arthrodesis, single lumbar interspace, L4 to L5. And they're asking to report the fusion. So the code 22630 is for posterior interbody fusion of a single lumbar interspace. So all the keywords match this code: posterior interbody technique, lumbar and single interspace. Why option A is wrong? It is wrong because the code 22612 is for posterolateral lumbar fusion, not for posterior interbody. So the technique will be wrong. And option B 22633 is for combined fusion code, posterolateral plus posterior interbody. The question only describes posterior interbody, not a combined approach. So B is also wrong. And 22614 is an add-on code for each additional interspace. The question clearly says single interspace, there is no additional level. So option D is correct. Next question. A gastroenterologist performs colonoscopy with endoscopic mucosal resection of a large flat lesion in the ascending colon. Report the procedure. Options are 45385, 45380, 45390 and 45381. Here 45378 is the parent code. Let us check the code 45385. It is for colonoscopy flexible with removal of tumor, polyps or other lesion by snare technique. 45380 is for colonoscopy flexible with biopsy, single or multiple. 45390 is for colonoscopy flexible with endoscopic mucosal resection. And option D, 45381 is for colonoscopy flexible with directed submucosal injection any substance. In the question they have given colonoscopy and endoscopic mucosal resection. So the exact code is 45390, that is for endoscopic mucosal resection. The right answer is option C. Option A 45385 is for removal of tumor, that is not given in the question, and 45380 is for biopsy, that is also not mentioned in the question. And option D 45381 is for directed submucosal injection, that is also not given in the question. The key terms in the question are all you need to focus on. Let us move on to the next question. An otolaryngologist performs a nasal or sinus endoscopy with total ethmoidectomy, anterior and posterior. Report the procedure. The options are 31254, 31255, 31256 and 31276. 31254 is for nasal or sinus endoscopy, surgical with ethmoidectomy, partial, that is, it is for anterior. 31255 is for nasal or sinus endoscopy, total, anterior and posterior. 31256 is for nasal or sinus endoscopy, surgical with maxillary antrostomy, and 31276 is for nasal or sinus endoscopy, surgical with frontal sinus exploration, including removal of tissue from frontal sinus when performed. In the question, the important term is anterior and posterior. So, the right answer will be 31255, that is option B. 31254 is only for anterior, so it is wrong. And option C 31256 is for maxillary antrostomy, that is not mentioned in the question. And 31276 is for frontal sinus exploration, including removal of tissue from frontal sinus. That procedure is also not performed here. So the right answer is option B. Great job working through those 5 CPT questions. Every time you practice like this, you're training your brain to navigate your CPT book faster, spot guidelines instantly, and code with confidence. Exactly what the CPC exam demands. If you want more practice, drop a comment below and tell me whether you want E&M, surgery, radiology, or anesthesia questions next. See you in the next practice session.